Yo, what's up guys, this is bboy Chicken Roast, FZTLBC, and first of all I would like to say sorry guys because it's been a long time I haven't posted tutorial videos for you guys, so please forgive me. So from this time I will make a tutorial for you guys. So today I'm with the CC Advanced tutorial. So this time I'm gonna teach you 3 CC Advanced footwork, so you can use for the battle, use for your set, or use for your fun. So let's get started guys. Okay, first is CC. So you must know the basic CC. So let's get started guys. So 1 CC, 2 CC, 3, so you go kick, return, and another CC, kick, come, kick, come. So this is the kick CC. So next is the round CC. So 1 CC, 2 CC. So when you 3 CC, after that you hold this, after that you have to turn. So when you turn, you do a 1 CC again. So like this. So CC. So after that, when you kick CC, again round. So this is the round CC. So guys, this one is the last CC. So I call it name ball CC. So this is, you have to do a 2 times CC. So like a 1, 2 ball, 1, 2 ball. So 1, 2 ball, 1, 2 ball. So guys, hope you enjoy my tutorial and hope you learn something from me. So if you guys have some comment, then please comment below. So if you like my videos, please thumbs up. And if you want more videos from me, so you want to go with me with my ride, then please subscribe and please hit the like. So thank you guys for having me. So see you in next tutorial. Bye.